Hey guys, welcome to Simply Bitcoin, a channel that breaks down all the daily news from Twitter to important updates to cringy fails. We've got it all. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, my co-host BitVolt's going to be joining us soon, but first we're going to head on off to the Clark Moody dashboard.
Clark Moody dashboard.
All right, let's start it off. Block height, 646,196. The price, 11,688. Chain rewrite days, 556. And the total Lightning capacity right now is 1,053.80 BTC.
Just keeps creeping up. Creeping up. And the price, you know, man, this price fluctuation, we're stuck in between these levels, and I love it. I love this solid consolation. I guess that's the word. I don't know. Anyways, Phil, I think it's time for the Daily Fail.
All right, so we've got a tweet from Psychedelic Alberto, but he's not the Daily Fail. The Daily Fail is the two people in the tweet, which is Eric Voorhees and a person that I always dump on because I've actually used their garbage tech, and I know for a fact it doesn't require a token to work, which is Vinny Lingham. And so they've decided to go middle of the road on Bitcoin. I like this term, Bitcoin centrist.
Suck my balls.
And of course, Vinny Lingham, the guy who hopped on the boat to go and fucking dismantle Bitcoin. The New York agreement, he hops on this one. This guy's such a freaking douche.
Man.
Anyways, they are fails because, once again, they are trying to align affinity scams.
You know what I call this? I call these guys shitcoin apologetics. That's what I see here. That's what I see here. They're trying to save some face, and they're trying to not look so bad. Phil, what is your daily lesson, my friend?
Well, the daily lesson on this is that it's going to be a long one, but they take these titles and try to associate themselves with Bitcoin. So don't get fooled. It's not Bitcoin, it's shitcoin.
I love it. So the daily fail is it's not Bitcoin, it's shitcoin. Cool.
That's all they're trying to bring together,
So Phil, it's time for the daily meme review. And it's by our buddy HODLNOT.
Nice. Space Cat. Taco Space Cat. This is a good one.
Oh my God, bro. Principles, LOP, 90x return. Bro, that's so true, man. Not your mama's ICO. LOP.
All right.
What are you going to give it? What are you going to give it, Phil? What are you going to give it?
All
what
right.
is the score?
I am going with also very easy to understand. So, people are going to start thinking I'm too nice, but that's okay. He's getting a 10 from me.
Hell yeah. And my score is perfect 10, baby. Perfect 10. Shout out to the Space Cat. He gets it. He gets how to meme. And the next section, of course, Phil, it is time for the awesome news of the day. It is time for the Daily News, sponsored by Peter McCormack. Based on our video, we made a big fucking splash, man.
Oh, yeah.
And it escalates. It escalates. Check this out.
I didn't realize that it escalated.
Massive thanks for all the considering DMs and emails explaining xPubs and offering to show me how they work. Historically, I just use a hardware wallet, just trying to explain to himself. Lob comments, anything. Man, we created quite a buzz, Phil.
I don't know if we made that buzz. I'm pretty sure Peter has his own cloud. But that was pretty funny, man. I was not expecting that.
Dude, it was quite a buzz, man. Look, he retweeted us. He changed his name to .xpub. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm taking credit for this. And
Okay.
to those who use this question about harass, blah, 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 all that stuff. Anyways,
Okay.
I'm very glad that we educated Peter McCormack, and now he's officially running xPub, even though that doesn't make sense. But I'm sure he knows what xPub is by now. And the next piece of news for today is pretty fucking funny. Craig Wright, the king of lawsuits, files another libel lawsuit against Roger Ver after 2019. Man, this guy sues everybody. He sued Peter McCormack. He sued the Space Cat Hodlnaut. And Craig Wright, a self-proclaimed creator of Bitcoin, is reportedly continuing to file more defamation suits against perceived rivals. He hasn't won one of these suits, so I don't know what the hell he's doing. And he's already been cryptographically proven that he doesn't own the addresses that he says he owns. So this guy is just a piece of work. He's a liar, man. This guy is such a liar. Anyways, at least it's against Roger Ver. I'm not a big fan of Roger Ver. So, and we all know why, because of B-Trash. So that's the daily news for today. And Phil, why don't you tell us about the software releases?
Software releases. All right, let's take a look at the software releases we've got for today. We've got Umbrel version 0.2.6 released, and with that comes automatic encrypted backups of Lightning channels.
Man, that umbrella update is so cool. That's so awesome. Automatic encrypted backups of Lightning channels. What else is there, Phil?
We've got essentially it's just this month in Bitcoin privacy. Okay, kind of like a wrap up. We've got the full node deep dive, RoninDojo. We've got junk in the trunk, Lightning privacy. HRF grants to JoinInBox, Zeus, and Fully Noted. PayJoin support in Wasabi and JoinMarket. Cross-chain atomic swaps with Monero. Malicious Tor exit relays. Design sketch for first version of CoinSwap. Schnorr SignatureCheckers. Dust attacks. OXT research vulnerability disclosure. We know what that's about. Dirtcoin Diaries PayNym torch, which is awesome. The solution to SIM swapping. What is an xPub? Debating blockchain analysis.
Oh my God. Amazing. Wow. I love it. Thanks for that. Thanks for that recap, because that covers all the Bitcoin software releases for the month of August and the year 2020. And Phil, tell me about your podcast releasing this week.
All right, so this week on the Fun with Bitcoin podcast, we're actually going to have Ben the Carman, and he is going to be talking to us about BIP8, BIP9, and we're going to be talking about discrete log contracts. So this is actually a technical episode for the Fun with Bitcoin podcast, so it's going to be fun, man. Check it out.
Awesome, man. I'm definitely looking forward to it. And guys, just to kind of wrap up the show, we are changing it up a little bit in the sense that we are giving away a hardware wallet at the end of every month. For this whole week, I'm going to drop a little Easter egg in the video. And if you see what it is, it's going to be very short. You're going to have to pay attention. If you see what it is and you're the first one to see it, make sure to tweet it, to comment on Twitter exactly what it was you saw. And the first one to do that wins a Trezor, brand new in the box with the safety seal still on it. And I'm going to be doing that for the rest of the week. And the first one to notice it and the first one to drop that comment gets to win a brand new Trezor hardware wallet. Guys, tune in tomorrow if you want Simply Beat Bitcoin daily recaps and no fucking shit coins. See you guys later.